The founding of Rothschild & Company, 1798. Mayer Amschel Rothschild founded the Rothschild banking dynasty in Frankfurt, Germany. He established a finance house and soon extended his services to the Landgrave of Hesse Castle. Mayer's innovative strategies in finance, coupled with his adept management skills, laid the foundation for what would become one of the most influential banking empires in history. Expansion through Mayer's sons. Early 19th century Mayer Amschel Rothschild's 5 sons were instrumental in expanding the family business across Europe. Amschel Mayer settled in Frankfurt, Salomon Mayer moved to Vienna, Nathan Mayer established the London branch, Kamen Mayer, Karl, went to Naples, and Jacob Mayer, James, took charge in Paris. This strategic dispersion allowed the Rothschild family to create an unparalleled network of financial operations. The Napoleonic Wars, 1803 to 1815. During the Napoleonic Wars, the Rothschilds played a crucial role in financing various European governments. Nathan Mayer Rothschild's activities in London were particularly significant. He funded the British government's efforts against Napoleon, and his adeptness in using carrier pigeons to communicate financial information faster than the official channels gave him an edge in the stock market. The London gold fixing, 1919 and 1919. The Rothschild Bank in London was pivotal in establishing the London gold fixing, a daily procedure by which the price of gold was set on the London market. This practice solidified the Rothschilds' central role in the global gold market and further enhanced their influence in international finance. World War I, 1914 to 1918. During World War I, the Rothschilds' banks were essential in raising funds for the war efforts of the Allies. Their financial acumen and extensive connections enabled them to provide crucial support through war bonds and other financial instruments, showcasing their pivotal role in global finance during crises. Nationalization of French and British operations, 1946. Post-World War II, the rise of socialism and the restructuring of European economies led to the nationalization of many private banks, including the Rothschild operations in France and the UK. This marked a significant shift in the structure of the Rothschild banking empire but also illustrated their resilience as they adapted to the changing political and economic landscapes. Diversification into oil, 1960s. The Rothschilds diversified their interests beyond banking into industries like oil. They were involved in the financing of Royal Dutch Shell and other major oil enterprises. This diversification helped the family maintain their wealth and influence amid the fluctuating financial and political climates of the mid-20th century. Founding of Rothschild Continuation Holdings AG, 1968. To manage their diversified interests in complex global operations, the Rothschild family established Rothschild Continuation Holdings AG. This holding company streamlined their business activities, ensuring more efficient management and strategic development of their investments. The bullion market, 1970s. In the 1970s, Rothschild & Company played a crucial role in the bullion market. They were instrumental in the establishment and operation of the London Bullion Market Association, LBMA, which became a significant player in global gold trading. Their involvement in bullion trading underscored their ongoing influence in the precious metals market. Establishment of N.M. Rothschild & Sons Limited, 1980s. The 1980s saw the consolidation of the family's banking operations under N.M. Rothschild & Sons Limited in London. This entity became a cornerstone of the Rothschilds' financial activities, focusing on investment banking, asset management, and advisory services. Privatization and restructuring, 1990s. In response to the changing global financial landscape, Rothschild & Company underwent significant restructuring in the 1990s. The family privatized various operations and focused on core banking and financial services, streamlining their business model to remain competitive in the increasingly globalized market. The London Interbank Offered Rate, LIBOR, 1998. In 1998, Rothschild & Company played a key role in the development of the London Interbank Offered Rate, LIBOR. This benchmark became essential for setting interest rates on various financial products globally, further cementing Rothschild & Company's role in international finance. Expansion into emerging markets, 2000s. In the early 2000s, Rothschild & Company expanded into emerging markets, recognizing the growth potential in regions like Asia and Latin America. Their strategic investments and advisory services in these markets highlighted their adaptability and forward-thinking approach in the face of shifting global economic dynamics. Merging of French and UK operations, 2003. In 2003, Rothschild merged their French and UK operations to create a more unified and robust entity. This move was aimed at leveraging synergies between the two regions and enhancing their competitive edge in the global financial industry. Establishment of the Global Advisory Division, 2006. The establishment of the Global Advisory Division in 2006 marked a significant step in Rothschild & Co.'s evolution. This division focused on providing high-level strategic advice on mergers and acquisitions, restructuring, and capital markets to major corporations and governments worldwide. Financial crisis of 2008. The financial crisis of 2008 posed significant challenges for many financial institutions, but Rothschild & Co. managed to navigate the turmoil relatively well. Their conservative approach to risk management and diversified portfolio helped them withstand the crisis, and they emerged as a trusted advisor in the post-crisis recovery phase. Initial public offering, 2015. In 2015, Rothschild & Co. went public, listing on the Euronext Paris Stock Exchange. This IPO was a landmark event, providing the company with greater access to capital markets and enabling further expansion and development of their global operations. Acquisition of Martin Morel, 2016. In 2016, Rothschild & Co. acquired Martin Morel, a prominent French private bank. This acquisition significantly expanded their wealth management and private banking capabilities in France, reinforcing their position as a leading player in the European financial services sector. Establishment of the Concordia Foundation, 2017. In 2017, the Rothschild family established the Concordia Foundation to coordinate their philanthropic efforts. This foundation focuses on education, arts, and social welfare projects, reflecting the family's long-standing commitment to social responsibility and community development. Expansion of asset management services, 2020s. In the 2020s, Rothschild & Co. continued to expand their asset management services, focusing on sustainable and impact investing. This shift aligns with global trends towards environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria in investing, ensuring that Rothschild & Co. remains at the forefront of modern financial services.